This is a battery out of a 2008 HHR 2.4 that kept going dead after the car set for days without running. So charged it overnight, slow charge, and we're going to load test it to see if it passes that. Stay tuned. After charging overnight, it came up to 13.6, trying to level out. Now we get on with that load test. So with the load tester hooked up, it's showing analog volts around 13.4. Now we're going to load it up. The load on this is 1/3 of the cold cranking amps, and the cold cranking amps were 650, so we're going to load it up to about 220, and it should maintain a 9 volt or higher for about 10 seconds. The load test will beep when we achieve that, so let's see what happens. Slowly load. Okay, looks like it's maintaining it. Test is good.